Alright, so here's the trick I just did now. Here's the wheel hub. That's the full assembly. Now if you notice round back, I got the screws loose. See, this one right here is loose. This one is loose. You could just pull it right on out. Here you have it. Here's what I was saying about having it slide forward. Here it slid forward now. You see it fully moves around. The attachment is broken. Now here's that last nut that I was telling you about that's hidden. Now I have my socket on it. See, and there's that other one down there that's loose and taken out. Now I have my socket on it. And you'll see right here that as I turn it here, it basically comes loose. Now as I'm turning it, it's pushing the actual hub forward, and pretty soon you'll see it fall right off. This is actually the easiest way to do it, because what's going to happen if you don't do it this way, you got to remove all of this, the suspension and everything. Now I'll just let it fall, since I'm holding the phone with my other hand. Once it falls, I'll just pick it up, show you guys what a bad wheel hub assembly looks like. Alright, so here you have it. This is the actual wheel hub assembly here. See it? No, that's really bad. The seal is no longer oiled and flexible. It doesn't even seal anything. It's all rusted in here. The sound sounds like a roller coaster of sorts. Now what you're going to want to do, oh, here's my other screw. Now, oh, remember I was telling you now with this screw here, or this nut here, you'll see that it's still in there. This one here. Now, it's not going to come out because it's going to be resting against that shock right there. You see that? See it? So what I do is I actually take the screwdriver, take this little screwdriver, push it through the hole here, and you'll see it right there. And then I just use a little hammer and just pop it right on out. Actually, I have my rubber mallet here, trusty rubber mallet. You just gotta turn that wheel a little bit actually. Let me go in the car and turn that wheel. Now if you're working on the right side to get access to those two nuts in the front, you turn the wheel to the right. If you're working on the left side to get access to those wheels on the left, to those two rear nuts, you turn the wheel all the way to the left. And let me just show you a quick picture of the new wheel hub assembly. Alright, here it is right here. Now if you look at it versus the old one, you will see a clear difference here. This is really hard doing this without my light to hold the light and the camera and everything. So you can see that there. Here are the screws that it comes with. It has the blue Loctite already on it. Here you have the new hub assembly. And basically you're just going to clean off that maiden surface right there. Going to clean this off with a little bit of sandpaper. Just take this bolt out. And you could just get rid of these bolts. They have the original red Loctite on it. You could just chuck them. They're one-time use with that Loctite. So you're just going to sand this off. Oh, and by the way, this goes on a certain way. So don't assume that it fits. When you put it on, you see this little lip right here? It's the only side that has it. You're going to want to have it this way, and you're going to want to have that lip facing toward the back of the car. All right? And basically that's it. Now you just put everything back on in reverse. Now when you're putting everything back on in reverse, that first top bolt that you took out last, you're going to want to put that bolt in first. This way that bolt screws in nice and tight so it doesn't hit the suspension or anything. And then you put in the other 3 bolts. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll answer you. I could even put up links to the written instructions as well if my video was a little choppy. I tried to do the best I can having it just be me here, but that didn't work out too well. But I hope it helps anyway. All right, so you guys take care.